Zithema zibuya inhlazane nje kwaqubuka impi yomlomo kwachaza nenkundla yezokuxhumana uMbalula ejikjela ngamazwi umengameli weMKMVA uKB Maphathwe kanye nokhulumela lenhlangano uKhal uMbalula ubehamba emazwini abantu abaningi abalokhu bethi uMaphathwe kanye noNehouse basebenzisa iMKMVA ngendlela engafanele. Kwenzeka lokhu nje amalungu eMKMVA eGauteng abemasha emgwaqeni yaseGoli namhlanje ekhala ngezinto ezahlukene kuhulumeni. Ukuzo kubalwa imizila yezitimela ezithi ayigculisi ukwehluleka kweqembu elibusayo ukusebenzisa iziphakamiso ezenziwa engqungqutheleni yeANC nokuthi kuboshwe uMbalula.
We are not going to tweet about the sabotage of the infrastructure for our people. These are our people that are suffering from the townships who are supposed to go to work, but they can't go to work now because of negligence of one person who is busy tweeting in the media instead of taking care of the security of the infrastructure of our country.
Emva kokuphawula kaMbalula, iMKMVA eGauteng ayipholisanga maseko ibe isiziphendulela nayo.
If then Mbalula can be able to call you thugs, he can call Nelson Mandela a thug. In the very same vein, he can call Tony Yangeni a thug, because this is the thing that is coming to the ANC. Because people are more factional than looking at the issues that we're trying to address.
iANC isihlabe yasihlikiza isenzo sikaMbalula yanxusa amalungu eqembu ukuthi angaphakamisi izinto eziwakhathazayo esidlangalaleni.
Cadres of the ANC, regardless of positions they hold, are expected at all material times to display maximum discipline.
Ibuzwa iANC ukuthi kungenzeka yini imqondise izigwegwe uMbalula ngakubhale enkundleni yezokuxhumana leli qembu lithe lisazolifakela izibuko lolu daba.